post-game press conference. We have here Kim Fajardo, Coach Rodrigo Ford, and Elena Samaleko of the PLDT High Speed Hitters who won in straight sets against the Farm Fresh Foxes. Coach, congratulations on this bounce-back victory. Anong masasabi mo sa naging performance ng team today?
Happy na naraos yung bracket. So, sana makatulong yung momentum going to the second group stage. Crossover. Yan. Kasi yung mga crossover namin, parang hindi naman talaga sila bottom 3 kung iisipin. So malalakas pa rin yung Petrogas, Chocomucho. So kailangan pa rin namin pagandaan. Yun nga, buti nakakuha kami ng momentum Petro pa.
Thank you, Coach. And for Elena, you guys are ending Pool A on a high note. How does it feel to be able to get these kinds of wins heading into the next round?
Today game, I think for me it's a little bit better. Yes, and next game, of course, we ready. We work a lot. Yes, and we want to win, of course.
Thank you, Lena. And for Kim Fajardo, best player of the game, how does it feel to be able to get this win heading into the next round?
Ako, happy lang ako kasi importante itong game na to para sa momentum nga sabi ko siya going into the next round. So, ito yung basis namin kung ano mga kailangan pa namin i-adjust.
Thank you. First, open for question.
And for Kim, kumbaga as part of the locals din, paano lang kayo nag-regroup galing dun sa tough loss nyo nung nakaraan?
Tinatrabaho lang namin talaga kung ano yung sunod. Siguro nandun kami palagi sa what's next. Kasi hindi naman natin mababalikan kung ano yung naging result ng last game namin. So, kalimutan, tapos trabaho ulit.
And then yun nga, speaking of what's next, mahirap yung magiging next round para sa inyo. Kumbaga ano lang nakikita mo kailangan nyo pang gawin para sa next round, para magtuloy-tuloy yung magandang run nyo?
Siguro yung, importante yung nakuha namin yung momentum na to. Yun lang talaga yung feeling kasi yung kung anong gagawin namin, aaralin naman namin yan sa coming days sa team.
Alena, during the last game, you lost for the first time. You faced an equally great team for the Campbell. How important was that, I guess, experience or defeat to come back stronger and for the rest of the way here in the conference?
Of course, comeback is stronger, but for me, it really doesn't matter who import. Cat Bell, another import. We need show in game in my team. Doesn't matter. Okay, Cat Bell, of course, she good import, but I have a good team, strong team. Yeah.
And for Coach, yun nga po sa susunod na pool, Petrogas, Chocomucho, kumbaga mga title contenders din. And through past conferences, sila din po yung mga nakakalaban nyo sa bandang dulo na rin. Ano po yung different this time na kahit may mga kulang kayong pesa, tingin niyo po kaya sila ma-overcome para magkaroon ng magandang placement sa quarterfinals?
Siguro mas intact yung group. Yun nga, kahit bumalik lang si Lena, yung chemistry ng team medyo mas maayos. So, less yung time namin mag-adjust sa tao-tao, yung chemistry na doon naman na agad. So tingin ko pag-igihan pa namin, tapos yung mga small details na lang talaga technical. So wala, kahit sino talaga makalaro, hindi na namin pwedeng piliin, hindi namin pwedeng i-base doon sa na-feel namin. Kailangan every game talaga i-try namin mag-perform ng maayos.
Ano lang siguro, kasi hindi rin naman parang one-sided yung loss nyo previously. Ano lang siguro yung nakita mo sa team this game na parang nakita mo na gusto nilang bumawi from that defeat at saka alam nila kung ano yung capability nila para
sa amin, yun nga, medyo yung last natalo namin, inisip namin masyado yung gagawin ni Cadben. Kasi yun talaga yun. Nakalimutan namin yung kung anong kayang gawin ng team. So siguro yun kami mag-focus talaga. Hindi yung kung anong kayang gawin ng kalaban. Yung sa amin muna.
For Lena, personally, what's going to be your mindset heading into the next crossover round?
Please repeat that.
What's going to be your mindset heading into the next round?
Yes, of course, yes.
What's your mindset?
Of course, my mindset. I want win. I want. I want. It's my team feel good. Yes, I think we can win. Of course.
Thank you, Gav. Thank you, Coach.
Thank you.
That's all.
Thank you. Congrats.